hey, we have this problem on the board. We have 7 over x plus 19 over y equals 1. And we have to find where x and y are integers and x is greater than y. So let's get started with this. The first thing I want to try is let's get a common denominator. So we're going to multiply top and bottom here by y over y, which is just 1. And we'll multiply here by x over x. Then simplifying this, we're going to have 7y plus 19x over xy equals 1. Then we're just going to do this and do cross multiplication so that we have xy equals 19x plus 7y. But I want to get this all on one side of the equation so that I can factor. So we'll rewrite this whole thing as xy minus 19x minus 7y equals 0. Then we'll just look at this first piece and we'll factor out an x. So we'll have x times y minus 19 minus 7. What I'm going to do to factor by grouping is we want what's in this parentheses to be the same, this parentheses to be the same as what's in here. So we're going to write that as y minus 19. And by doing that, we've changed the expression, right? We've added minus 17 times minus 19 is 133. So what we can do is just add that to the right side as 133. Then we have this piece in parentheses in common. So we'll have x minus 7 times y minus 19 equals 133. Then this is where it's useful that we've chosen this to be just an integer problem, because then we can use the factorization of 133. And that can be done a few ways, right? The main one that you might notice is we've already determined really is it's 7 times 19 or 19 times 7. But it also can be written as 1 times 133 or 133 times 1. There aren't any other possibilities because 7 and 19 are primes. So, and notice these problems are usually chosen with primes so that we don't have to go through 20 solutions or something, right? So we're pretty fortunate. There's just 4 choices here. And then we have this piece here that's important, that we need x to be greater than y. So like this is not, I don't think we have to even really check that and that. Let's check 19 times 7 and see what happens there. So if this is 19 and this is 7, which equals 133, then x is going to be 26, and then y is also going to be 26. But they didn't say x is greater than or equal to y. They just said x is greater than y. So we have to throw this out. So then we want to try this because that's all we have left. So let's try that. So if this is 133 times 1, x minus 7 is equal to 133. Adding a 7 means x equals 140. And then here, y minus 19 equals 1. Adding 19, y equals 20. And that's going to be our solution. I got this problem from my quiz, Rational Diophantine quiz. It has a few different variations. It's got a lot of problems like this and some other challenging problems. I will provide a link in the description. Hope you check that out.